Guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and let me show you how to turn on installation of apps from unknown sources. At first, you need to reach Settings, then find and select Privacy Protection, and here you will find special permissions. So just mark it, then go to Install Unknown Apps. Wait a couple of seconds till it's loaded, and now you can choose some particular application, the one that you wish to download some other app from, and then mark Allow from the source. Then just read the information. So as you can see, install apps from unknown sources is highly sensitive permission, so you have to be sure that you want to activate it, and the risk is all on you, so just mark it that you are aware of it. Okay, so here it is, and then click on OK. And that's it. So this is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.